This 2026 Homesteader IH85X28X7TALL14K ramp is a cargo trailer. It is located in Mount Vernon, Illinois, 62864 and is offered for sale by Country Blacksmith Trailers. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Homesteader is 28 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Homesteader IH85X28X7TALL14K ramp is 5,117 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Country Blacksmith Trailers.